never-ending story, never-ending song. Because we wanna dance, every step is the dance, and the words is the song. Here and now and forever. Whatever languages, but the point is the same, to be loved. And we make the last potpourri, quite all famous spiritual songs. Today we are singing Aloha ke Akua, Aloha ke Akua. In Africa, Mayambe Molongo, Mayambe Molongo, in African language, Mayambe Molongo, and Mayambe Molongo, Mayambe Molongo, oh Mayambe Molongo, oh Mayambe Molongo. En Estonia, Tarapita habita, Tarapita habita, oh Tarapita habita, oh Tarapita habita, oh Tarapita habita, Tarapita habita. Russian language. Господи помилуй, Господи помилуй, Господи помилуй, Господи помилуй, Господи помилуй, Господи помилуй, Господи помилуй. And so on. Never-endless ancient flow, transcendental sound through the cultures, through the nations, through the languages. This is the own way. Hey, hey, I find my way. Finally. And I'm gonna dance, and I'm gonna sing, and you gonna dance. now and forever. Eternity, we're so free. Back home, back to Godhead. Haribol, thank you.